And communication literacy, go, go, go. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In this video, we're going to look at some concepts for teachers taking the Communication Literacy MTEL 1 reading and writing exams. This is for you if you've been struggling with these exams. Use this content to help you get better at the test and pass. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Take a moment, read the question, give you 1 minute. Think about author's purpose and point of view. Tell me when you read it on your own go. Okay, now let's just add in another question here. We know the main idea is about a new play. And probably the purpose is to probably inform us on the new play. But what would be their point of view? What's their point of view? Are they for this new play or are they against the new? What are they? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Like if this was Alexander Hamilton on Broadway at the Wang Center. I don't know what theater it's on right now, but it's playing. What would it be? They would clearly be what? They would be like incredible, powerful, flawless, right? They would clearly be thumbs up. You should see this play, right? So again, the author's point of view, just like the author's purpose, is on the main idea. It's just what is their 2 cents or opinion of the main idea. Are they for the main idea or against the main idea? All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you need help on your communication literacy exams, whether it's reading or writing or both, check out a GOHacademy workshop at GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Everyone have a great day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.